Guys, today I'm going to share a big inconvenience that I'm facing by being loyal to Apple brand. I'm using almost all the Apple products and finding myself jumbled up with different kinds of chargers. iPhone that I'm using needs a USB-A to Lightning connector. Apple Watch has a USB-A to wireless charger. Latest Apple iPad 5th generation has USB. Oops! Again I got my hands on an Apple iPhone charger. This Apple iPad 5th generation has USB Type-C power cable at both ends that requires a completely different adapter. Why don't Apple find one charger at least for all the portable devices? Then staying in Apple ecosystem will definitely be a boon and not an inconvenience.